crazy! Another tornado warning. Hang on.
Until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hanover, or 20 miles north of Pueblo, moving east at 35 miles an hour.
Bro, that's crazy. Oh, this could be
Hazard,
like a...
tornado and quarter-size hail.
Bro, this could be a biggest tornado.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hanover. Take cover now.
Hanover.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying
Another
debris.
tornado warning into 2.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Watch, doubleheader. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, why? Wait, why does every know what a radio does this? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's on TV. On TV. On TV.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a tornado warning for locations impacted until 2:30 p.m.
Bro, this is crazy. Wait, Hannah. That has to be the tornado. Hang on.
A tornado was located near Hanover.
Another one! A second one. No way.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm
Severe
warning
thunderstorm
for
warning, oh.
eastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 3 p.m.
Like, oh, that's the new one. That's the new one. Look at that here. This is crazy. This is crazy. Like Truckton everywhere. Like every con. Like Yoder, Rush, everywhere. Every small town in El Paso County is getting hit, but not these two. Those two are so lucky. I mean, I'm in this area somewhere.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Yoder, Truckton, Ellicott, Schriever Air Force Base and Rush. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central El Paso County and east central Colorado until 2:15 p.m.
It's just for a moment, man.
At 1:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Carson, or 8 miles south of Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is
Okay,
expected.
1, 2,
Expect wind
3,
damage to roofs,
4,
siding, and
5,
trees.
6,
Locations impacted
7,
include Colorado
8,
Springs,
9,
Fountain, Ellicott, Stratford,
10.
Schriever Air
Oh.
Force Base, Fort Carson,
Looks like-
Security,
Looks
Peterson
like
Air
the
Force
other one
Base,
expired.
Security Widefield, Falcon, and
I
Cimarron
want to keep this here.
Hills.
I want to keep this here.
For your protection, move to an
No.
interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential
Okay.
rainfall
I
is
guess it's not
occurring
gonna
with
be on
this
TV,
storm
guys, but
and
if
may
it's
lead to
on, then
flash
I'm gonna
flooding.
record
Do not
today.
drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service
Okay,
in Pueblo
yeah.
has
Okay,
issued
yeah,
a severe
it's been
thunderstorm
on
warning for
man.
eastern El Paso County and east central Colorado
This is
until 3 p.m.
crazy.
At 1:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Raymond to near Ellicott to 6 miles west of Hanover, moving east at